How to edit the header of your Squarespace website. So here I'm just going to click on website from my Squarespace dashboard, and it's going to load up my Squarespace website. Now first we have to click on edit from the top left corner here, and then once we hover over the header you will see this option to edit the site header. And here we can add different elements, or we can edit the design itself. So we can do or add some link spacing here. As you can see, it makes them further apart. We can do element spacing here, and we can also change the logo. For example, here we can add it, and the menus will be to the side now, to the left hand side. And we can also drop a shadow here. We can create borders. So if I click on it, as you can see, it creates borders or removes them. And also, what can we do? We can leave it as fixed position, and we can also leave it as fixed header style. Now we can change the height, the width, and basically we can customize it to our liking. Now what else can we do? We can actually, like I said, left click on the header itself and add elements here. So we can add buttons, social links. We can add a cart here, and we can give an option for language change. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.